In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add members in Wrike. Adding the right people to your workspace is one of the first things you'll want to do when you start using Wrike, because it lets your team collaborate on tasks, share updates, and stay aligned in one place. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to send an invitation so a new member can join your Wrike account. First, make sure you're logged into your Wrike workspace. You should already be in the relevant space or project where you want to manage your team. On your Wrike interface, look toward the top area of the screen for an option labeled Invite, usually near your profile or team section. This is the button you'll use to bring new people into your account. Go ahead and click on Invite. When you do, Wrike will open a small window or panel where you can set up invitations. In this invite window, you'll see a field that lets you type in email addresses. This is where you specify who you want to add. Carefully type the work email addresses of the people you'd like to invite. You can usually add multiple addresses at once, separated by commas or by pressing enter after each one, depending on how your interface looks. As you enter these emails, it's a good idea to double check the spelling. A small typo can prevent someone from receiving the invitation. If your organization uses a standard email format, make sure you follow that format exactly. Remember, you should only invite people who are allowed to access your company's Wrike workspace, so avoid using personal or external emails unless your team has approved that. Once all the email addresses are entered and you're confident they're correct, look for the button labeled Send Invite. This button confirms everything and sends out the email invitations from Wrike. Click on Send Invite to finish the process. After you click it, Wrike will email each person you listed. They'll receive an invitation message with a link they can use to join your workspace. Depending on your Wrike plan and settings, they may be asked to create an account or log in, and then they'll appear in your member list once they accept. That's all you need to do. Click Invite, type in the email addresses of the people you want to add, and then click Send Invite. Once they've joined, you can start assigning them tasks, adding them to projects, and fully collaborating inside Wrike.